Hi everyone, so today I'm filming the last ever Nailboxy. I don't know if I should really, I'll still go through like what it is. Let's see. Pull up the website. So I'm sure it'll say on there. They never really explained like specifically why they're not going to create the Nailboxy anymore. I think it's just they weren't making enough money or didn't have enough subscribers. I don't even think they have on their website anymore. They just have deluxe mystery box coming soon. It's sold out. Everything's sold out. Mystery box coming soon. Mystery grab bag coming soon. So I'm not sure if they're actually sold out or what. But if you guys want to see the mystery boxes, I think they're gonna be pretty much the same thing, but like a little different. I'm not sure. It says each month that mystery items are released, we will showcase an exclusive item that will be featured in mystery boxes and bags for that month. Stay tuned for the first exclusive release coming fall/winter 2021. So other than that, I don't think, let's see, maybe under how it works. Yeah, it's because everything's changed to the mystery box now. And I think the prices will vary, so it doesn't have anything on there about the Nailboxy anymore. So I guess we might as well just go ahead and get into this box. Alright, so like I said, this is the last official monthly Nailboxy ever. This is the August 2021 box. And let's see if I can open this without flashing the address. There we go. It says, break free, shine bright, Model 1s times Nailboxy. Thank you. Hey, you may be surprised to meet us here. We are Model 1s. Your love sharing nail brand introducing the vigor and vitality of color. It's our honor to be featured in August Nailboxy presenting our customer favorite products, potted glitter gels and polygel extension gels. We wish you enjoy the quality of our products and the color diversity provided through the journey. It says Model 1s times Nailboxy starter kit. It comes with 6 potted glitter gel nail polish, 2 poly extension gels, 1 base coat, 1 glossy top coat, 1 slip solution, and 1 nail tool kit. And then they have the Model 1's website on the bottom. So it looks like it's a box within a box. It just says nail and then like a barcode number. Alright, so just put it like that. Let's see. So the first thing I see are dual forms. I'm assuming they're different. They look like different sizes and lengths. Like this one's obviously very wide and very long, and then this one's roughly the size of my thumb and shorter, so I'm not quite sure it's supposed to be all for 1 manicure. And it says 0, 6, so yeah, it probably is supposed to be all for 1 manicure. It looks like it goes from 0 to 11 actually. So 0 to 11 size dual forms. And then it is the Model 1's base coat. I don't think I've tried anything from Model 1's before. And obviously it's just gonna be clear. I don't even know why I opened it. So it's the base coat. It says Model 1's Coloring Life, and it's got that, I don't know if that must be their logo. And then the top coat, they're both soak off, UV and LED cured. Okay. And then Model 1's Polygel Nail Slip Solution, 15 milliliters or 0.53 fluid ounces. I believe slip solution is just rubbing alcohol. I'm sure different places might like add certain things to it, but it comes with that. Like I said, it's 15 milliliters. And then there's number 004 Poly Nail Extension Gel. It's 30 grams or 1.06 ounces. And like I said, it is the color 004. looks like a blush pink to me. Just looks like a nice blush pink, something very natural. And then I believe this one's the same size and everything, and it's just in number 13, which is clear. So it's just stuff you could do like basic extensions with, and then you know, add your color to it. I'm assuming you could do that with what else is in the box. So I'm pretty sure they're giving you literally everything you need to create polygel nails, and I believe this is a brush. Yep, it is a number 6 polygel brush, or just gel brush you could say. Just looks like that. It's got the case and everything. And then these, oh, and there's even a nail file in here. Always comes in handy. And then let's look at these. I'll take each of these out of here. Okay. So the first one, let's see if they go in order. There's 2, 4, 1, and it goes 9, 10, 11. Okay. So these are the colors I got. I'm not sure if they're different. It just says glitter nail gel. It comes 5 milliliters or 17 fluid ounces. This one is number 1, Oscar skirt. They're probably all gonna have a seal in it. It's probably better, but ooh, oh geez, that's really glittery. Just looks like it's very thick. Oh no, but like it moves, so it's not too thick. Yes, I wouldn't say it's like an extension gel. I would just say it was a gel you could paint with. I think that's what is that what they're called? It just says glitter nail gel, so. Okay, and let's do number 2 next. This one is champagne. This one's a gold glitter. Oscar skirt was like a silver glitter, if you guys can't see it very well. Keep that there. And then number 4 is Tiffany Pink. And it's like a rose gold pink glitter. And then it goes to number 9, which is lavender. Which is like, it's like a fuchsia color. It's like a pinkish purple glitter. And then number 10 is pure snow. It's like an iridescent clear glitter that's very pretty. And that's what that one looks like. And lastly, we have violet, which is number 11. Oh, it looks like that got stuck to it. It's all sticky with gel. Okay. Oh, that's all over the top now. Let's see if I can even pop this open. Let's see. There. Ew. That's weird. But this I would honestly say more like a closer lavender than yellow, but it's just like a darker, definitely purple glitter. Alright, so that's all the ones you get, or I got at least 6 glitters. I'm assuming every kit was either the same or maybe like different colors. I'm assuming like the base stuff is the same. So yeah, I'm happy with this box. I've never tried the Model 1's product, so I am happy to try these and have these little pots of glitters. You can always add more polygel to your collection, so I'm happy about that. And it comes with everything, literally everything you need, even the slip solution. All you would need is like, I mean, honestly, you could just dip the brush in the slip solution. So it comes with literally everything you need to try out their polygel kit and purchase more of their products if you want to. So I'm happy with this. For their last box, I don't know, maybe not. I was like expecting something kind of like just extra with little brands. I don't like it as much when they go with bigger brands, but I've still, like I said, I've never tried them, but I wish they would have done, I don't know, like a farewell kind of box or something. But other than that, I'm really happy with it. And I'm happy to try out these products. Like I said, it comes with everything you need. So yeah, I'm really happy with this box. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked all the Nailboxy subscription boxes that I've done. Let me know if you want to see the mystery boxes. I'd probably get the deluxe one. I don't know, I'll have to see more information on it. But if you guys want to see that from me, let me know. And I will continue to subscribe, or whatever you want to call it, since it's different. But like I said, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.